Hey guys, it's Montana. Our flatbeds are built for the folks who haul for a living. Strength, stability, and long-haul performance. Here are the top 5 reasons why a Texas Pride flatbed is built for the long haul. First up, our superior build specs.
Our flatbeds run massive 12-inch and 14-inch I-beam frames.
And we don't skimp on steel. Higher pounds per foot where it counts for rock-solid stability. Pierced frame, anti-twist torque tube, and heavy-duty frame bridging, those aren't upgrades here, they're standard, so your load tracks straight and safe.
Second, we've got the GVWR and axle options for your job.
From a 14K tandem to a 45K triple tandem, we'll match the trailer to your tow rig, weight distribution, and payload goals. You bring the use case, we dial in the spec.
Third, we offer real customization from front to back.
Our team takes the time to get it right. Tires, suspension, braking, decking, paint, tie downs, toolboxes, and custom fab. We'll custom fabricate the exact trailer you need, so you load faster, haul safer, and earn more.
Fourth, some of the fastest turn times without compromise.
No one knows better than you. If it ain't turning, it ain't earning. From paperwork to pickup, plan on 2 to 3 weeks from our floor to your door.
Finally, factory direct value, no BS.
No middleman, no markups, just straight pricing. One-to-one service, and a heck of a lot more trailer for your money. Pound for pound, it's the best value on the road.
Still comparing? Bring us a competitor spec sheet and we'll show you where Texas Pride gives you more for the dollar. Or just give us a call, check us out online, or just head on down and get you one.